Guys, another successful day at Counter Steer with another 3000 GT VR-4 with a father and son pair of Matt and JJ Cubis. So, what do you think, guys? How was it for you today?
It's great. It was awesome. Yeah, it was really fun to watch our project get brought up to speed or make sure it was running healthy. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, this has been a long time project, right? What did you guys start with? This car was a mess, right?
Yeah, absolutely. 3 years ago. We bought it when he was 14. Yeah. Hadn't been driven in 15 years.
Wow. That's a barn find right there, right? A real true barn find.
Yeah, it's been a journey, but a lot of busted knuckles, a lot of laughs, some near tears. Yeah, but a lot of fun.
Awesome.
I've had a ton of fun. Really awesome. Last two, yeah.
Awesome, guys. So yeah, thanks for Jeremy Sharp at Remy's Rides for getting everything all put together, buttoned up properly, and running smooth. Yeah. So with a stock fuel injectors and stock turbos, you know what? We started off with a baseline of 237 horsepower and 255 foot-pounds of torque, and then at the end of the day, after doing our tuning, you know, we maximized boost at just about 10.5, 11 psi because we were running out of injector. Running out of injector pretty fast, but ended up at 295 horsepower and 301 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty good for a stock engine. So I would call it a successful day.
Absolutely.
All right, guys.
Big thanks to Remy as well. He's helped us remotely very quickly and so responsive. He's been awesome to work with, and so has Morgan. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks,
for your
guys.
patience too. Absolutely.
Awesome. It's a wrap from Counter Steer. We'll be back again, and see you guys soon.